नहीं तो उसका जिंदगी खत्म. The Gulbarga parents, they don't want to come out of those blinders. See, I can emotionally care for you. I cannot get emotionally attached with you. It's healthcare is a beautiful field, but
What?
तीसरे दिन से मैं और मेरे दोस्त मैगी बना रहे. Face any challenges is the wrong question. Facing any challenges, yes. We are still facing. We are still
Okay.
learning. There are two set of people. Whether you want to get into the salvage scam or you want to get out of the box and think for yourself.
No, we can just keep talking. It's fine.
Yeah, we can just keep talking.
Okay.
Hi, myself Dr. Sagar Rampure. I want to introduce myself as a really good friend of Jay and Neha, Team Aspire Media.
And hi, my name is Jairaj Kulkarni, a really good friend of Dr. Sagar Rampure.
Hi, I'm Neha.
Also a really good friend of Dr. Sagar.
Yes.
Yeah. So she's also known as Janvi Kapoor from Coffee with Karan.
Because of
Seen
the way she's
episode-
sitting.
Because of the way she's sitting.
I
And she's
like to
just
be
gonna start
comfortable.
doing tattana, tandoori nights, tandoori nights, tandoori nights.
Just wait and watch.
So this is a really interesting conversation you just saw. He is not just our friend, he has been our mentor also, and he has a legacy of so much in the world of business and in the world of medicine. And this conversation is very interesting, especially for us, because we have worked with you as more of like a client and a a service provider. वो type का अपना situation रहा है. But apart from that also there have been instances where the world of medicine and the world of business have come together, and
Correct.
that interested us a lot. So I was like, might as well have a conversation with you. So thank you so much for doing
Thank
this
you
with
so
us.
much for inviting me on this beautiful podcast.
Thank you.
It's like Sharbat with Jay.
Sharbat with Jay.
Jay,
Yeah,
Hey.
this sounds good.
Yeah,
So we
it-
can
it
keep the
should-
tagline. Sharbat
Sharbat
with
with
Jay
Jay.
and Neha.
Wow, crazy.
Yes.
So, a very interesting thing about your life is that you have been a part of so many different worlds, right? I want to take us all back, especially for the people who like do not know you well, or they know you as a face of something.
Okay.
I want to take us all back to where it all started, right? So, could you give me like a very brief, like a journey, just start of your journey, which is it could be your school, college days, or it could be your introduction to business.
Okay. So basically born and brought up in Gulbarga.
Okay.
Okay. Just I am also a same kid like other Gulbarga parents who have this fence of या तो बेटा पीडीए में जाएगा या तो एमआरएमसी में जाएगा नहीं तो उसका जिंदगी खत्म. अगर ऐसा उन दोनों के माइंडसेट के पेरेंट्स छोड़ के देयर आर अदर सेट ऑफ पेरेंट्स
हाँ.
जिनके किड्स आर डूइंग वेल लाइक एस्पायर मीडिया.
नहीं, हमारे भी
There's only-
माँ बाप ने यही सोचा था कि
Yeah.
वो पीडीए में जाएगा या एमआरएमसी
एमआरएमसी
में
में
जाएगा.
जाएगा. यस.
हम गए, जाने के बाद हम लोगों ने फिर कुछ और शुरू कर
वही सेम मेरे साथ हुआ. तुम लोगों का थोड़ा अर्ली स्टार्ट हुआ.
हाँ.
मेरा बेटा होने के बाद स्टार्ट हुआ.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मेरा जर्नी थोड़ा लेट स्टार्ट हुआ. Because the Gulbarga parents, they don't want to come out of those blinders of PDA and MRMC. They never gonna open those blinders. अगर ये है तो security है. PDA and MRMC नहीं है तो security नहीं है. According to them.
Hmm.
So because it's not their fault, it's the exposure fault which they have got. So now the next generation has good exposure. Okay, now those people are coming up, they're standing for themselves at early age or at later stage. So basically, I started my MBBS journey in 2011.
Oh.
Yeah, I am a graduate from MRMC.
Okay.
After that, I did my masters in orthopedics from Sangli, Maharashtra.
Hmm.
Yeah, I completed that and did my hip and knee replacement fellowship from Victoria Hospital.
Okay.
So there was always the thing which was troubling me that I think so. I've chosen I cannot say it as a wrong field at this stage. Healthcare is a beautiful field, but that passion, that क्या बोलते हैं उसको, like that
It doesn't drive you.
it doesn't drive you. Yeah,
Yeah.
that drive.
Huh.
So that drive which I had in business.
Hmm.
So one of my close friend approached me. So I was an assistant professor in Bowring Hospital.
Okay.
So one of my close friend, Dr. Sandesh Patil. So he's also an entrepreneur from Bangalore. So basically he's from Gulbarga.
Okay.
So he approached me with a cafe business.
Ah.
So we both had like literally no experience in F&B.
Hmm.
ओके नो एक्सपोजर इन F&B, क्लासेस नथिंग. जैसे ऐसे ही एक फ्रेंचाइजी आ गया, उन्होंने बोल दिया कि ऐसा ऐसा बिजनेस रहता है, ऐसा ऐसा तुम्हारा इनपुट रहता है, इतना पैसा डालोगे तो ये निकलेगा. तो उस टाइम पे हमारे लिए बिजनेस कैसा था? इंस्टाग्राम ब्रो, या कैफे ओनर्स.
Correct,
Oh.
correct, correct.
Like yeah,
correct.
that drive.
Cool thing.
Yeah, that's a cool thing.
Yeah.
So doctor come cafe owners, like it's like there was a word at that time, doctorpreneur.
Huh?
Dr.
Yeah, it was very famous, doctorpreneur.
Wow.
तो कुछ तो ऐसा अलग रहेगा बोल के just for the majority कैसा था, just to show it to the world कि कुछ तो cool कर रहे हैं. दो friends, दो orthopedic surgeon कुछ तो cool कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
So we started the cafe business.
Okay.
Obviously without any knowledge, without any experience.
Correct.
How will the business run?
Correct.
So we burnt our fingers. Touchwood, now it's going good because my friend Sandesh is taking good care of the cafe now.
Nice.
So I had to shift from Bangalore.
Okay.
So that learning phase जो था ना 1 साल का, वो मेरे को पूरा दुनिया का बिजनेस का A to Z सिखा दिया.
Crazy. When was this?
This was from 2023 to 2024.
Oh, very recent.
Very
Yeah.
recently,
Oh my
yeah.
Oh.
तो very recently. इससे पहले भी छोटे छोटे बिजनेस ट्राई किए, वो जस्ट ऐसे ही लाइक शॉर्ट टर्म बिजनेसेस.
हाँ.
कुछ फेस्ट वगैरह रहा तो स्टॉल डाल दें,
हाँ.
कैफे डाल दे, गराज कैफे बोल के डाले थे हमने एमआरएमसी में.
हाँ.
कुछ तो छोटे छोटे बिजनेस जहाँ पे लाइक शॉर्ट टर्म आज इतना डालेंगे फिर निकल जाएगा.
Any interesting किस्सा
क्या
बिजनेस लाइन का?
बिजनेस लाइन का?
Any the way जो भी एक्सपीरियंस रहा है ना,
हाँ.
from cafes to all of these छोटे छोटे बिजनेस वाला जर्नी.
Yeah,
Any
yeah.
interesting
So I'll
किस्सा?
tell you a very interesting किस्सा. Okay, so we started a cafe called as Garage Cafe.
हाँ.
हमारे एमआरएमसी में एक फेस्ट होता था ग्लिम्स.
हाँ.
So whether all the college like 7 days का फेस्ट रहता था.
Okay.
एक डे फैशन शो, 1 day all cultural events, स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट सब कुछ. तो मैं और मेरे 2 फ्रेंड्स क्या सोचे कि चलो गराज कैफे डालते हैं.
Hmm.
तो वी लाइक ओके फाइन डालते हैं. अगेन विथ नो एक्सपीरियंस नथिंग. तो वी स्टार्टेड गराज कैफे. तो गराज कैफे डाले भी बॉट कुक. ओके,
हाँ.
तो अभी हमें 7 दिन का स्टॉल का पैसा तो देना ही है.
हाँ.
2 दिन में कुक भाग गया. वी आर फाइनली एमबीए
What?
स्टूडेंट्स. या 2 दिन में कुक भाग गया. तीसरे दिन से मैं और मेरे दोस्त मैगी बना रहे मैगी बना रहे, वाटर बॉटल बेच रहे हैं. तो माय मॉम डैड केम फॉर द फेस्ट. तो मेरे मॉम डैड आके बोले कि कुछ तो बच्चों ने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, चलो जाके देखते कैसे चल रहा है. तो माय डैड इज लाइक लुकिंग एट मी डूइंग मैगी इन एमआरएमसी हॉस्टल, सॉरी इन एमआरएमसी ग्राउंड. ही इज लाइक व्हाट आर यू डूइंग. तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट हो गया.
हाँ.
इसके बाद व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड दिस कैफे, so first we started as a franchisee, then we later on named it on like completely different. We had a separate firm.
Okay.
So my dad came for the opening. My mom was like, so I had spent so much of money on you. तो orthopedic surgeon बना दिया, सब कुछ बना दिया, and you are starting a cafe now. What is this? I want to see you as a big surgeon in Gulbarga. तुम जैसे कोई like, so my mom always had that image of Dr. Devi Shetty.
हाँ.
Okay.
So I want you to be like Devi Shetty, Dr. Devi Shetty, a big man.
Hmm.
Yeah. So Narayan Dudala, he is the main
Yes.
guy behind the Narayan Dudala.
True.
So he always wanted me to be like Devi Shetty.
Hmm.
I was like, Mom, okay, हाँ ठीक है. Mom बोलेंगे करते हैं कुछ तो करते हैं. फिर तो we started the cafe. तो कैफे का ओपनिंग था. तो my mom तो refused. I am not gonna come. तो my dad came. He sat for the whole day. पूरा ओपनिंग वगैरह हो गया. रिबन वगैरह कट करा मेरे डैड के एंड मेरे फ्रेंड के डैड के हाथ से. तो सब कुछ होने के बाद मेरा डैड घर को आके and he was like complete numb. He is not ready to speak only. I was like, Dad, क्या हुआ? He's like, I'll tell it in Kannada. It's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
So he's like, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಬಟ್ ಚಾ ಯಾರು ಮಾರಿಲ್ಲ. I told Dad, this is not chai tapri, this is a proper business, like cafe business. ಅಂದ್ರೆ भी बेटा ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಚಾ ಯಾರು ಮಾರಿಲ್ಲ. I was like, Dad. तो अभी भी उनके लिए कैसा रहता है, like still doctors, they cannot step out of the fence.
Yeah.
They cannot think out of the box. अगर सर्जरी कराया तो सर्जरी कराओ, ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन बनाया तो बस सर्जरी करो, फ्रीलांसिंग करो एंड मेडिकल कॉलेज ज्वाइन करो. सो इवन दे वर एक्चुअली द इनिशियल डेज दे वर इवन स्केर्ड एंड अगेंस्ट ऑफ मी ओपनिंग माय ओन प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल आल्सो.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they were like, it's in such a competitive world and especially in Gulbarga, you have seen how every second building has become a hospital.
Yeah.
So how will you survive here?
Hmm.
So again, this is one more business you are getting into. And if you get into the business and management part, you won't be able to do the surgeries.
Yeah.
Because in such competition, you cannot, it's very tough to manage both the things.
Very true.
Okay. Then I somehow convinced him, then we'll do it. Then after that, when I told him that we'll come up as a team, then he was like, no, why don't you go for a solo business, solo run, that you should only manage everything.
Correct.
Then I explained him, see, this is where the businesses are failing
Yes.
presently. कि सब कुछ मैं ही करूंगा, सब कुछ मैं ही कमाऊंगा, सब कुछ मैं लेके जाऊंगा.
Very true.
That is not how it works. bro.
Correct.
You have to come up as a team.
Very true.
You have to come up as a team. सिंगल हैंडेड बिजनेस उस जमाने में गए जो हमारे दादा लोग डैड लोग करते थे. अभी का जनरेशन वैसा नहीं है.
नहीं.
करेक्ट.
अभी का जनरेशन इज वेरी टफ. तो मैं ही सब कुछ करूंगा, मैं ही पूरा सब कुछ मैनेज करूंगा, मार्केटिंग करूंगा, ऑपरेट करूंगा, अकाउंट्स देखूंगा, लास्ट में सब कुछ लेके जाऊंगा. तो डेफिनेटली वन डे यू विल बर्न योर हैंड्स.
Yes.
वो बिजनेस. सो इट्स ऑलवेज टू बेटर ऑप्ट फॉर अ टीम.
Correct.
तो तुम सी बिजनेस अगर तुम लोग को रन करना है ना, अ बिजनेसमैन शुड बी हैविंग एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 hours of day in a day just sitting lonely.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
that is where he'll get time to think, rethink how to improve my business ideas, how to
Correct.
improve my marketing,
Correct.
what better can I do from the others.
Yes.
It's not like competing with others. I'm not telling you to competing with others. Comparison, competition nahi hai. The competing with yesterday, where we were yesterday, where we are today, where we want to be tomorrow. That is what a businessman idea should be.
Yes.
So I had a like follow-up question to the team thing. As a businessman, what are the few challenges you have faced in building that team? Because even when you have to make that 2-3 hours time for yourself, you need to have a team that functions by itself so well that you get that space.
Yeah.
Right? So did you face any challenges? If yes, then how did you deal with it?
Face any challenges is a wrong question. Facing any challenges, yes. We are still facing. We are still
Okay.
learning.
Okay.
So choosing a team, it's like a learning curve. We cannot get a perfect team overnight. Okay. So even in now all the industries, like if you go for Birla, Ambani's, Adani's, you know, these people, the main pillars behind Mukesh Ambani or the main pillars behind Adani's, they are working with them since 25-30 years.
Yes.
Okay. So now they can tell that we have a right team. So I am still at a very early age to comment that I have a right team. We are still choosing a right team. It will take a long time.
Okay. Then how do you make that time for yourself then? Because you're still figuring it out, right? You're still, there is one person you think that is the right step for you.
Okay.
And then maybe it doesn't work out. Then like, what is your way of constantly trying to make that 2-3 hour time for yourself? At this stage at least.
At this stage, like getting 2 to 3 hours of time for myself in a day.
Yeah, because the goal is that you want to have a functional team.
Okay.
Right? My question is like very team centric. How, like, what is your experience in building that team?
I guess, see, with exploring only we get to know who is the right person for us. So I usually give my hospital, no matter the PROs, no matter the marketing staff,
Yeah.
or no matter any of the group Ds, I give them a buffer period of 3 months. If it's working out for both of us, in 3 months we'll continue it, or else I have to look for another guy.
Another guy.
Okay.
Because I cannot get my emotions in my business. That will affect my business.
Correct,
Yeah,
correct.
correct.
See, I can emotionally care for you. I cannot get emotionally attached with you.
Ah,
Yeah, that's the thing which I follow.
Yeah.
okay.
If you are facing any of the issues apart from the hospital, anything outside, we are always there to help you out. But if that is affecting your profession and your everyday work, that will affect my business.
Yeah.
True.
That I cannot
Correct.
compromise. And if I am not, like, even if my behavior or my words towards you or even my anger towards you, it's affecting you, your mental peace, you can clearly tell it on my face. That, sir, it's not working, I want to shift. We are happy to let you go.
True.
Very nice. Amazing. Like, this actually answers a lot of questions for us, because we are also at a very primitive stage. We
Yeah.
March 30th ko na, yeah, 30th,
Yes.
31st ko we completed 1 year.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I
of
saw the
Aspire.
story.
Yeah. So recently, like, even we have been trying to expand, and for us it's like a whole new world.
Okay.
Yes.
We don't know, we don't have क्या बोलते हैं उसको, mentors या like godfathers in this industry.
Same here, bro. Yeah.
Yeah. So no one
I
to
am,
tell us
I am
what-
also the first generation doctor. And the first generation doctor, first generation entrepreneur. Yeah, none of them, family members, have done any business. Yeah, from my father's side, from my maternal side, there are business people, but not like anywhere related to the business which I am entering into.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did you deal with that? Because you did not have anyone to, like, in your home or someone to guide you.
Yeah.
Right? So what were your steps?
Because what happens, you know, you're new. to this field.
Hmm.
And then even your family doesn't understand what you want to actually do, what is your vision.
Yeah.
And then dealing with whatever you're doing, figuring out the
That's
stuff
what.
that you're doing,
Hmm.
as well as dealing with the family, answering them or even convincing them by मैं जो कर रहा हूँ ना शायद से राइट ट्रैक है मेरा.
हाँ.
It's
The thing
a
is that
two-way thing.
the figuring out thing is easier for me, but the managing the family thing is stressful. That's the
For
thing.
everyone.
Yeah. So my father, even till now also, he's like, you're about 31 or 32 now. So we have spent so much on your MBBS and PG, and there's still no earning. But it's very tough for me to explain it to him that I have entered a business where one day suddenly people will come to you saying that, oh, from where did this overnight success come? But you cannot expect me to get every month's salary to home, because the business which I am entering into, it is a like long-term results wala business. So it will take some time. The vision is long. It's not like short-term कुछ. It's not like stock market.
Correct.
कि मैंने पैसे डाल दिया, ठीक है चलो सत्वा ऑर्थोपेडिक सेंटर है, डाल दिया, ओवरनाइट आज रात को आके मेरे पास पेशेंट खड़े हो जाएंगे. That's not how it works.
Correct.
अगर business, see, there are two set of people. Whether you want to get into the salaried scam or you want to get out of the box and think for yourself. Sorry. तो I told him in the beginning only. So मेरा भी business में, so after the cafe business when I came back to Gulbarga, तो मेरा भी first I was still into that rat race only. कि MRMC में जॉब मिलेगा या ESI में मिलेगा या जिम्स में मिलेगा, कहाँ पे मिलेगा, 1.2 1.3 सैलरी चल जाएगा, तो वही जस्ट दैट. फिर बाकी का अपने का जो बिजनेस करने का है वो कर लेंगे. Then the main reason for starting Satwa was the rejections. I got rejected from all the medical colleges. They didn't have posts. I got rejected from MRMC, then gyms, ESI. There was no vacancy. Then it took me 3 months. So 3 months I was like unemployed at home. So those 3 months I got this clarity that we'll start something of our own. Because clarity तो बहुत पहले था, but that fear was there. In
Correct.
place like Gulbarga, where already big fishes are there. Okay, so how will we compete with them?
Yes.
Then I thought that instead of competing with them, we'll start step by step. But जो भी करेंगे अपना खुद का कुछ तो करेंगे. At the same time only my other two co-founders of Satwa, they approached me that actually it was their plan to start a orthopedic center. Okay, so one day randomly at gym I was just on the treadmill and one of my co-founder and partner, he came to me and like, we both are planning to come up with a hospital, so whether you want to join or what. Then I like, mostly this is the God's plan.
Yeah.
That is why I got rejections from everywhere. This is what he wanted me to enter into, because I knew that I love management part. Management, marketing, these are my strengths. So more than the operating side, the management and business entrepreneurship is my thing,
Okay.
which I got to know very late at the age of 30. I had that before itself, but वो घर में रहता ना, MBBS खत्म कर लो, security, डिग्री आ जाएगा, तो तुम लोग को कहीं बिजनेस फेल हो गया तो भी चल जाएगा. फिर MBBS खत्म हो गया, PG खत्म कर लो, PG खत्म हो गया, रैट रेस, सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, फेलोशिप कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
यस चलो फेलोशिप करते हैं. तो इस रैट रेस एंड इस 13 साल के स्ट्रगल में अपने आप लाइक खुद के साथ बैठ के टू गेट टू नो दैट स्पार्क एंड क्लैरिटी व्हिच आई गॉट लेटली. बट इट्स ऑलवेज गुड, नेवर देन लेट.
Yeah.
लेट देन नेवर होता है क्या? नेवर देन
Better late than never.
Better
बेटर लेट
late
देन
than
नेवर.
never.
ये तुम लोग एडिट कर लो बाद में. वो फ्लो में निकल गया. तो सिक्योरिटी के चक्कर में डिग्री पूरा हो गया, तो फिर उसके बाद ये लोग अप्रोच किए, देन चलो विल स्टार्ट बोल के. सो आई हैड अ वेरी क्लियर डिस्कशन दैट गेट इनटू द मैनेजमेंट पार्ट एंड मार्केटिंग रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टफ, सो यू गाइस लुक आफ्टर द पेशेंट केयर. तो वहीं पे जो डिस्कशन, जब इट इज वेयर दैट थिंग स्टार्टेड ऑफ कमिंग अप विद द टीम. So the teamwork is very important at this stage, bro. You cannot just do it on your
Correct.
single-handedly. मैं सब कुछ मैनेज करूंगा,
नहीं
you will definitely end up losing your business.
True.
पैसा भी डूबेगा and तुम लोग का सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस भी डूबेगा.
Yes.
that mindset in Gulbarga has to change. गुलबर्गा का जो ओल्ड माइंडसेट है ना, जो 20 साल से चल रहा है, अभी भी वही है.
Yeah.
सब कुछ सिंगल, मैं अकेले, मैं ही कमाऊंगा, मैं ही लूंगा. एक ही माइंडसेट, मैं कमाऊंगा, मैं हर जगह लूंगा, किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा. हाँ, किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा. इधर है.
Not just that, मैं कमाऊंगा, इससे ज्यादा मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I have actually met so many businessmen in my journey of learning things about business. वो लोगों ने मुझे बोला, अरे हमको ज्यादा करना ही नहीं है.
ज्यादा करना ही नहीं यार.
ये है, शॉप डाल दिया,
हाँ.
एंड सुबह से शाम तक बैठ गए,
Yeah,
रात
that's
में
what.
फिर अपना पार्टी चल
वही
गया.
वो
We
just-
don't need
But
more.
उनको they just want to focus on their चद्दर.
Yeah.
चद्दर लंबा करने का किसी के कॉन्सेप्ट में है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
हमारा चद्दर इतना है, चद्दर तक हमारे पैर हैं, ठंड नहीं लग रहा है बस.
हाँ.
Dude,
बड़ी
थोड़ा-
चादर भी है.
बड़ी चादर भी है. See, basically उन लोगों को I'm not like specifically saying
Yeah, yeah,
इन
yeah.
लोगों क्या उन लोगों को, I'm just randomly using
Yeah.
it from XYZ person. They want to run a business,
Hmm.
okay, and earn ₹10.
Hmm.
किसी को नहीं देना, पूरा 10 रुपए लेके जाना है. मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट इतना ही है. 3 to 4 like-minded people get into the business, earn 100, take home 20 each,
Correct.
Yeah.
double the
Very
profit.
true.
Very true.
Very true.
या तो तुम 10 रुपए से तुम सिर्फ 10 रुपए पे फोकस करके सिर्फ मैं अकेले 10 रुपए लेके जाऊंगा,
It will not make sense.
इट विल नॉट मेक सेंस. पर तुम लोग टीम वर्क करो, थोड़ा स्ट्रेस फ्री रहो, थोड़ा
Yeah.
फैमिली को भी टाइम दो.
Hmm.
And it also helps today if you want to actually give some time to family and travel somewhere, or you're sick. The other two partners can take care of
Yeah.
whatever you're leaving behind.
Because they are part of that same mindset.
हाँ, they're
क्योंकि अभी उसको टाइम चाहिए तो
Yeah.
हम हैं, बाद में जब हमें टाइम चाहिए रहेगा तो वो रहेगा.
That's what that
Yeah, yeah.
हमारे पेरेंट during our parents generation it was there that one was giver,
हाँ.
the father,
हाँ.
Yes.
okay, the mother used to take care of the kids and the family, but this generation not like that.
Hmm.
Okay, the women are also looking for equality.
Yes.
Okay, so even they also want to work,
Hmm.
and they are, I feel they are more than equal and much better than the men in this generation.
Hmm. Oh yeah.
The women, they are more
Yeah.
stronger, they are more smarter.
Yes.
Now they can't sit at home and look after the kids.
Hmm.
They want equal share from the husband also.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
so just फंडा वही है
Hmm.
कि तुम लोग पूरा मैं ही करूँगा. उस पहले जनरेशन में हो जाता था, अभी नहीं है. अभी हमारे जनरेशन में कैसा था, अभी now we can say that our dad has given a better life. That is all true.
Hmm.
But the next generation kid, our kids, they definitely go in future and say, my dad has not given me time.
Hmm.
This is for sure. Take it in writing.
Yeah.
Hmm.
चाहे 2 पैसे कम कमा लो, उनको चाहे तुम लैम्बोर्गिनी दिलाओ, तुम
Yeah.
डिफेंडर दिलाओ, वो बोलेंगे तुम मेरे लिए कहाँ थे.
Hmm.
At that time you won't be able to answer to them.
Hmm. बाप रे, बहुत डीप बात है ये.
Yeah. ये हमारा टॉक बिजनेस से शिफ्ट होके लाइफ टॉक्स पे जा रहा है.
No, I think that is it all. It all leads to that only, I guess.
Yeah.
है ना? So crazy. Very nice.
लाइफ भी तो बिजनेस ही है ब्रो.
I know.
बस
वो है.
प्रॉफिट नहीं है, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स है.
Ah,
investing.
correct.
हाँ, रिजल्ट्स है, मॉनेटरी रिजल्ट्स नहीं है.
Ah.
बहुत डीप बात बोली फिर
Yeah.
से. Philosophical.
Yeah.
And this is, I think this is part of the philosophy of your involvement in Sattva also, right? Because since we have been working on the brand together for
Yeah.
so long, I have noticed that you try to engage in that philosophy with your patients and with your patient care and
Correct.
all of that, right? So can you tell me, like, when you came on as a managing director and when you came on as a partner in this, right? You have a edge, I would say, because you are not purely into healthcare, you are not purely into business. You have you are in both now.
Yeah.
So how did you decide to utilize that edge and what did you boil it down to कि हाँ मेरे को ये पता है तो सत्वा का गोल ऐसा होना चाहिए करके.
See, basically, Sattva, see, the main reason before starting Sattva was to get the care at an affordable cost, which during our times, when we had entered. So, bro, not every patient is affordable, bro. तुम 10 में से 7 पेशेंट्स उन्होंने कैसे आते हैं सडनली बिकॉज ऑफ सम एक्सीडेंट्स, पॉलीट्रॉमा, मल्टीपल फ्रैक्चर्स, हेड इंजुरी, खेत वगैरह बेच के दे पे द बिल्स. ओके, देयर आर सो मेनी स्टोरीज. ये कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं करता. तुम लोग भी रील्स वगैरह रिकॉर्ड करते हो, तुम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, अच्छा पार्ट निकालो. हाँ, कि पेशेंट ये बहुत अच्छा हो रही ना, सत्वा बंद भी हिंग मार दे अच्छा हो रही. बट वो आदमी बिल कैसे पे किया एक दिन रिकॉर्ड करो तुम लोग को एक्चुअल थिंग पता चलेगा. दे सेल देयर बाइक्स, they sell their farms.
So majorly a lot of the things that we see in your hospital, like you were just saying, right, कि एक बार जाके डॉक्यूमेंट करके देख
हाँ,
कैसे डिफिकल्टीज रहते हैं लोगों के and all.
बहुत डिफिकल्ट रहते हैं ब्रो. या
So I had a follow up question regarding that.
ओके.
ठीक है. So these are the problems that you are speaking out, like normally a lot of the healthcare professionals हो या कोई भी हो especially at a position of a managing director at a hospital.
Okay.
They don't openly speak out कि ऐसे हैं तो हम ऐसे कर, like we
हाँ.
try to make it easy for them करके. So based on your experience in the healthcare system, what have you put in place at Satwa to easily accommodate for such people or provide care for such?
First thing is I can only say on the billings.
Ah.
Yeah. Very affordable packages for the patients. That is why, see, till now I guess we have crossed more than 45 surgeries at Satwa. So almost 7 to 8 hip and knee replacements,
Wow.
spine cases, and complex trauma cases.
Okay.
In all of this, like 40 to 45 surgeries, some 8 or 10 are from the referring doctors, other 32 are walk-in patients.
Wow.
So our billing has done the marketing for us.
Nice.
So it has become, it was like a word of mouth business marketing everywhere that you hospital ಹೋರಿ ಇವರು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಕಮ್ಮಿನಾಗ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಆರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. It's not that there is any compromise on the implants we are using, any compromise on the post-op care, any compromise in the accommodation we are giving them, wards or ICU. That is not compromised. Only our hospital's profit margin is compromised. We keep it less,
Okay.
to be very frank. But the patients and their relatives are satisfied.
So this is a common thing I see. Like I just wanted to ask you, how do you justify that payment? For example, like a typical surgery might cost me 8 lakhs somewhere, might cost me 5 lakhs somewhere.
Okay.
But if I come to you, it might cost like 2 lakhs or 1.5 lakh.
Correct.
But you are saying that majority of the fee for that is a profit margin. Like how do I understand that you are making money, or how do I understand that this is the right amount
See,
for this?
basically, I can give you a very good example of this thing. Again, as you guys are for the branding team, again it is completely the branding market. Obviously, a hip or knee replacement in Apollo or Fortis, they can charge you balls, 5 lakhs, 8 lakhs. The amount of marketing they have done. The care is same. Okay. The precision of surgery is same. The implants used are same. But at our hospital, why we are charging less and they are charging more? Because we are the new hospital. People don't get that trust on a new hospital. So see, you've been wearing a Shopper Stop or West Side outfits since 8 to 10 years. Now there are 2 new showrooms in Gulbarga. One is called as Onwind or Unwind on the New Jivagiri Road.
Owned something.
Owned something.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one more store is Zudio.
Zudio.
Yeah.
You'll think 100 times to walk in. Okay. So what do these studio people do? They come up with regular offers. Because it's not because the offers are being showcased, not because the quality is low. They want to showcase the designs which you are getting in Shopper Stop and West Side. Even we are providing the same quality and designs to you. Just at least give
Walk
a
in.
try. Just walk in. That's why they are coming up with offers. So we are operating like how there were so many issues saying that kadmi rokka tondra quality compromise ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Come and show me on paper. I'll show you the hip and knee replacement implant stickers we'll be having. The company models which we are using. You go and cross check with the Apollo and Fortis, even those people are using the same thing.
So do you believe that healthcare should be run like a business?
No. Healthcare should be run like a service. It is more of service oriented. Hospital should be run like a business. There's a difference.
Okay.
If you're running it as a service oriented, then it's better you start a charitable trust. Then you will burn your hands. Because you have invested some 1 or 2 crores in the hospital. Hospital should run like a business. But healthcare should run like a service.
Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a very small thin line.
Yeah.
Few people are misutilizing it. Few people are properly utilizing it.
Nice. So because you brought up the term misutilizing, right? I wanted to ask a very, very, I think, important question that we all might have, which is like, there are some inefficiencies in healthcare or in hospital business in general. So in the current healthcare system, what are the like inefficiencies that you see? It irritates you. Like, what is happening there? I want to know your perspective.
Yeah, it's a very controversial line, but still, the thing which irritates me is that the earning more than the operating surgeons. That is a hard truth.
That's very cool. See, it's not controversial, though it's a hospital business
Yeah,
or
yeah.
related to
I
hospital
think people
business.
know it, but they just don't say it.
Everyone knows it.
Everyone knows
Hmm.
it. I think I'll be the first person saying it on camera. I might face some issues. There will be
Why
no-
you shouldn't face some issues?
Yeah.
Because see what happens, you know.
That's the truth, dude. This is not how things should work, you know.
Huh.
See, operating surgeon is in any multi-specialty hospital, if an orthopedic surgeon goes and operates
Huh.
for a case, he's being paid certain amount of money.
Huh.
For that case to be delivered to the hospital,
Huh.
they're getting paid more than the operating surgeon. Okay.
Business के बारे में सोच.
या सबको छोड़ो. नहीं, इसमें पेशेंट्स को भी लॉस हो रहा है.
Correct.
Yeah,
You know, I tell
totally.
you how.
हाँ.
See, if some XYZ person met with an accident on somewhere near Ram Mandir Circle,
Yeah.
okay, तो राम मंदिर सर्कल पे ही 4 हॉस्पिटल है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
The patient can be taken to the hospital.
Correct.
Correct.
पहले वहाँ पे कॉल करेगा जहाँ पे उसका परसेंटेज हाई है.
Shit.
So what if the patient loses that golden hour?
True.
What could he could have been saved if he would have taken to the nearby hospital?
Yes.
So he's been traveled to 20 minutes to the other side of the Gulbarga, so and so to any hospital.
Hmm.
Correct.
So तुम उसका भी सोचो ना. इसके बारे में किसको बात करना ही नहीं है.
Correct.
Very true.
इसके बारे में कौन बात करेगा?
The time specially a patient needs when it's
या
an
गोल्डन आवर्स अगर
emergency
मिस हो गया,
hour.
इमरजेंसी रहा 5 मिनट 10 मिनट में कुछ भी इमरजेंसी में मिस हो गया तो वो कौन सोचेगा? जिसका घर में जिसका फैमिली का डेथ हुआ
हाँ.
उसको तो सोचने के लिए टाइम भी नहीं मिला रहेगा.
नहीं मिला रहेगा एंड उसके पास उस वक्त कुछ डिसाइड करने का उतना कैपेसिटी भी नहीं रहता है कि कौन से हॉस्पिटल जाए.
या
They are
तो वो
just
लोग
in a-
बोलेंगे कि
they
जहाँ पे
want
चलना
that,
चलो,
yeah.
they'll be
They'll say yes to everything,
a
yeah.
patient will be blood soaked with a head injury, non responsive. तो जहाँ पे लेके चलना है लेके चलो. तो उस टाइम पे कोई एम्बुलेंस ड्राइवर सोच रहा है क्या कि यहाँ पे हेड इंजरी का हॉस्पिटल नियर बाय है, क्रेजी, अगर जान बच सकता है. हार्श ट्रूथ ब्रो.
Yeah.
दिस हैज टू बी चेंज्ड इन गुलबर्गा.
It's true. Very true.
शायद ये पॉडकास्ट के बाद मेरे पास कोई पेशेंट ना छोड़े हो सकता है, बट दिस हैज टू बी चेंज्ड.
शायद से ये देखने के बाद people will know the truth and they will know what to do.
गुलबर्गा
Awareness.
में लोगों को हर चीज का अवेयरनेस है. किसी को सामने आके बात नहीं करना है.
सही है.
दे हैव अवेयरनेस अबाउट एवरीथिंग. बहुत स्मार्ट है गुलबर्गा के लोग. आके बात करने के लिए है. उसके बारे में कौन सोचेगा? जब तक उनके घर में इफेक्ट नहीं होगा उसके बारे में कोई नहीं सोचेगा.
And can I ask you why you decided to speak up?
नो आई सी एक वही तो बोला ना मैं. रनिंग अ हॉस्पिटल शुड बी अ बिजनेस. हेल्थ केयर शुड बी मोर टुवर्ड्स सर्विस. ठीक है. मुझे भी ये नहीं है कि मुझे भी हॉस्पिटल से पैसे नहीं कमाना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. इवन आई ऑल्सो वांट टू मेक बिजनेस, बट थोड़ा एथिकल वे थोड़ा फॉलो करना. ठीक है. चाहे तुम 100% एथिकल रहे कि भी थोड़े चीजें आगे पीछे हो जाते हैं. समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस. एज आई टोल्ड यू, सम 10-15% लेट गो. बट तुम इधर तो ग्रॉस इतना भी मत करो.
Correct.
वो लगता भी नहीं है ब्रो पैसा.
नहीं लगता.
वो ऐसे ही आता है, ऐसे ही चला जाता है.
So, as a businessman, if I were to ask you, you have the opportunity to redesign the healthcare system. As an entrepreneur, this is a very big question. How would you do it? How would you approach?
Bro, approaching still, frankly speaking, I don't have an answer for this.
Okay.
तो आएगा एक दिन जिस दिन अथॉरिटी भी रहेगा. At that time mostly I can think of something. तो presently तो जो मेरे हाथ में है, if the bills are really tough on the patients, so the max I can do is I can give them some offer something which is helpful for them. बस पेशेंट खुशी खुशी से हंसते हुए हॉस्पिटल से बाहर जाए, जाके 2-3 लोगों को बोले कि सर ने मेरे लिए कम किया. ओके. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मेरे हाथ से जो होगा आई कैन डू इट. बट चेंजिंग अ सिस्टम इज अ बिग थिंग. उसके लिए मुझे पहले अथॉरिटी में आना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
जब वो पावर रहेगा उस टाइम पे वी कैन डू समथिंग.
Crazy.
अभी बोलूंगा तो बोलेंगे हवा में बोल रहा है. पहले उस शूज में बैठेंगे.
Correct.
पहले वी वेयर द सच शूज, देन विल
Yes.
स्पीक.
So, like, while we were talking about all of this now, there are a certain kind of perspectives you have as a doctor, hoga, yeah, as a businessman ho gaya.
ओके.
Like, what is your perspective towards trauma? Okay, this is a little off script,
Okay.
but your priorities about success, your priorities about growing as a businessman, how has trauma and how has these stories,
Okay.
it might have changed your perspective a little bit, right? Towards you as a businessman, I'm talking.
Yeah, see,
Yeah.
disappointments though every day or every alternate day there'll be too many disappointments because the things you have planned for the day अपने plan के हिसाब से नहीं चलता है.
Correct.
कभी कभी you're planning for like example our motto is to operate at least 10 cases in a month. I'm talking to you about the hospital business like satwa oriented. तो कभी कभी 5 ही होते हैं. So sometimes there'll be 15 or 18 cases in a month we are doing. So we have to have strategies, but we cannot stick to that strategy. Plan कर सकते हैं, but plan के accordingly if you're emotionally getting affected, then it's very dangerous. And I feel for a success, again still I'm at a very younger age to use such big lines for the success stories and everything. But still, there's only one thing constant in this world is consistency. If you're consistent enough, no matter you have you're running solo, you have a very small amount of 2 or 3 members in your team, no matter your marketing is low, no matter all the loopholes, all the flaws, if you're consistent, you'll definitely succeed. Even if it's a cafe, it's a chai tapri or a hospital or some real estate business, you have to be consistent. No matter after all the rejection, disappointments, whatever, you have to go and sit there, sit on that chair.
Yeah.
Even if you're sitting empty for 3 months or 4 months, 5th month you'll get some work, 6th month you'll be doing, and in a year of break even, if you're not having a break even for a year also, suddenly in the 2nd or 3rd year you'll get the 3x of your invested money.
Yes.
This is what mantra I follow.
Nice.
This is what I have learned from my cafe which I started in Bangalore.
Very nice. How do you look at your future? Like, if you do not have a idea of what success means, then what do you feel success should be? Like for you, as a new person, since we both are on the same boat, I feel
1% better the next day. That is what success to me means. 1% better than yesterday.
So you have impacted someone.
Yeah, I've impacted something. No matter in whatever business, no matter even if I'm not doing any business, even if I'm at home also, 1% better I should be helping out my wife. I'll be spending more time with my kids, workout, diet, eating healthy. That is also being productive.
Yeah.
जैसे रिसेंटली अभी समीरा ने बोला कि यार 2 दिन से मैं कुछ थीसिस नहीं बनाया, कुछ नहीं किया, मेरा तो डे पूरा बर्बाद हो गया. मैं वो बोलता है 2 दिन से तू दोस्तों के साथ फैमिली के साथ बैठा है, दैट इज एक्चुअल प्रोडक्टिविटी.
Yeah.
रिसेंटली सुना क्या उसका
Yeah,
पॉडकास्ट?
yeah.
क्रैश द इंटरनेट.
Very good.
So 1% better
Yeah.
the next day.
Correct.
Very nice. So far we spoke about like healthcare and we spoke about business. Beyond healthcare, are there any ventures or are there any ideas that you are trying to implement?
Yeah, actually I have started my own real estate company.
Okay.
It's called as Infinity Construction and Developers. So it's a proprietorship. I'm the main founder and CEO of the company. So I want to like construct a very easy method of real estate in Gulbarga. अभी कैसा है गुलबर्गा में रियल एस्टेट, मतलब ठीक है चलो हमारा बाप पुरदादों का ज़मीन है, लेआउट बना देते हैं, जब पैसे की ज़रूरत है बेच देते हैं, रिलैक्स करते हैं, लेआउट डालो, प्लॉट भेजो, वाइट फॉर्च्यूनर लो, खलास हो गया लाइफ. So basically, please, no offense to the white Fortuner guys. No
What is
offense
your
to-
Fortuner color?
My Fortuner is black.
I was about to ask a Fortuner color.
My Fortuner
Is that why you
black, bro.
modified?
No offense to anyone. White Fortuner. All my white politician close friends have white Fortuner. Please. फिर देख रहा हूँ कल मेरे घर के सामने सारे मेरे क्लोज व्हाइट कॉलर बॉयज लाइक साले तू नीचे आ, पहले तेरे गाड़ी को व्हाइट मारते हैं. नो एक्चुअली बहुत लोगों का वही है कॉन्सेप्ट. सो आई वांट टू कंस्ट्रक्ट इन अ वे, आई वांट टू कम अप विद सम रियली गुड जॉइंट डेवलपमेंट डीड्स and joint ventures, or else develop our own properties and channelize the real estate in Gulbarga. अभी कैसा है, just एक कहीं पे दिखा लिया, there is big mafia of real estate in Gulbarga also. अपना एक जगह दिखाते हैं, ठीक है, and papers will be of the right side property, the plot is shown in the left side property.
Oh.
इस तरफ का दिखाते हैं, तो बेचारे जो 30-40 लाख पूरा अपनी जिंदगी का जमा पूंजी इकट्ठा करके जो प्लॉट लिए से होते हैं वो लोग अपना घर बना देते हैं। फिर ये लैंड का ओनर जो कहीं पे तो ये डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बेंगलोर जाके सेटल होता है, 5 साल के बाद आके देखता है मेरा जमीन कहाँ पे है। देख जमीन में तो 2 से 3 घर बन चुके हैं ऑलरेडी।
ओह
या दिस हैपेंड। तो जाके पूछते हैं उसको कि ये तो अपना जमीन है, वो बोलता है देखो मेरा सेल डीड देखते हैं प्लॉट का। एग्जाम्पल, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल,
Yeah.
सर्वे नंबर सो एंड सो, हिस्सा नंबर सो एंड सो, उसमें से प्लॉट नंबर सो एंड सो, वो है बाजू वाले का,
हाँ
ठीक है, बिल्डर का या डेवलपर का। ये घर बनाया है बाजू वाले जो इंजीनियर बैंगलोर में बैठा है,
ओह
जिसको अपनी जमीन की पड़ी है, जो 10 साल के बाद आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए।
हाँ।
मेरे पापा ने उस टाइम पे कुछ तो एक जमीन खरीदा था।
हाँ।
तो केस डालते, केस डालने के बाद अभी क्या, कोर्ट का केस तो चलता रहेगा,
Correct.
एक ना एक दिन डेमोलिशन का ऑर्डर आ जाएगा। बट व्हाट अबाउट हिम? सो दैट such things, so I just want to channelize mafia. Like example, एक दिन एक बंदा मेरे पास आया that I want to buy a plot at Infinity Gardens. Okay, तो Infinity Gardens में मुझे एक प्लॉट लेना है। तो his thing only will be between me and him, the monetary thing कि इतना इतना per square feet चल रहा है, like 3,400 rupees per square feet चल रहा है। So that will be the deal. After that he can relax at home. I'll arrange an advocate for him. I'll arrange a government survey for him. Okay, even if you want some fencing से लेके precast slabs, compound, everything will be arranged by me. Leveling up, JCB work, सब कुछ करके his plot will be neat and clean, end to end, measuring 30-40 site with all the paperwork neatly done to him, so that future में उसको किसी तरह का भी problem ना हो। I want to get that channelizing trust in people, so that why they should trust me, because real estate market is also big in Gulbarga.
Yes.
Why they will trust?
Correct.
So I want to channelize those things. I want to make it more easier for the people. That's the thing.
Very nice.
नहीं the
So have you started working on this? Like
Yeah, I've
how
already
far along are you?
see. I have already started working on it. Presently, one project is upcoming, so we're just working on that. So mostly it'll take other 1 or 2 months of time for that project. Yeah.
Very nice. This is since we are almost very close to closing, I have some few general topics. I want to move towards advice.
Okay.
Because a very typical standard process in our podcast is we learn about your journey,
Okay.
and as up and coming entrepreneurs, we try to learn something from you
Okay.
as well. So I have a few questions. You can either answer them in rapid fire or you can take your time and answer.
Okay.
Chalega.
Fine.
ठीक है?
Cool.
So first question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What separates a good entrepreneur from a regular one?
From a regular one.
yes.
Yeah, a regular one thinks that only I can do it. A good entrepreneur thinks that we can do it. Again, a teamwork.
Okay.
My theory.
Okay.
It depends. Perspective depends from person to person.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, controversial question: business or medicine?
Business or medicine?
हाँ
A thin line between business and medicine.
Risk or stability?
Risk. Anytime, any day.
वाह
Money or impact?
Impact. Money follows, brother.
Hmm.
Just like Ravi Kishan. Money follows, brother. Om Namah Parvati Pate. Har Har Mahadev.
Very nice. A book that changed your life, if you are into reading.
No, bro. I'm
you
not
are into
reading.
so much of philosophy don't tell me
Or
I haven't
some
read any
person who has changed your life.
हाँ.
Or which
any
person who you follow.
हाँ any
Figuring
mentor
out.
figuring out
Yeah. I watch a lot of podcasts. I am not into the studying thing.
हाँ
Yeah.
But you name a podcast which I have not watched this. During workouts, during drives, every time. Even if I'm sitting empty for half an hour to 1 hour in hospital, I'm always listening to podcasts.
Very nice.
That is why I have become a ये सेंसर करो वो
नहीं
you know my wife keeps on reminding me please don't start now, especially after 1 or 2 drinks. Start ಆಯ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಈಗ. Yeah, they run away from me, my sister and my wife will start giving
One habit that you swear by.
that I swear by. I mean I didn't get it, like
One habit that you are like ये करना ही चाहिए करके.
पूरे
No
दिन
matter
में,
what.
पूरे दिन में.
क्या
Yeah,
है
मतलब
हाँ.
any
one
habit
habit.
हाँ
Bro, workout bro.
हाँ
वर्कआउट इज मस्ट. वो एक ही जगह पे, वो एक ही चीज ऐसा है फॉर मी, वर्कआउट जहाँ पे सारे चीज एकदम दिमाग से निकल जाते हैं. रियल एस्टेट, हॉस्पिटल, एवरीथिंग निकल जाता है. इट्स जस्ट मी, माई सेल्फ, नाइस वर्कआउट सेशन. for 1.5 hour. चाहे उस दिन का diet खराब हो, but workout every day, hitting the gym is must.
So no matter how tight your schedule
No
is.
matter how tight my schedule is, at least for 30 minutes at least, I'll have a brisk walk. I'll try to cover 5 to 8,000 of steps every day, or else I'll have a good workout session.
A failure that you are grateful for. ये हुआ करके.
Mostly the cafe business in Bangalore. Yeah.
Is it still running?
Yeah, it's still running. It's running good now.
Very good.
Yeah, I still have my shares, but my friend, he is taking good care of
Okay.
the business.
Okay.
Yeah.
One belief that you earlier had that you now don't because of a slight change.
One belief that I earlier had.
That now you don't agree with. कि वो मैं पहले सोचता था पर अभी नहीं सोचता.
Some mindset that you might have changed.
Yeah.
A mindset that you
A
had.
belief that you had before.
Process.
Okay.
But now you're like you don't agree with based on your experience.
I guess being fearless. पहले डरता था बहुत.
Hmm.
Yeah, that belief of insecurity. कि चाहे होने से पहले सोचना, ओवर थिंकिंग.
Ah.
फेल हुआ तो कैसा,
Yeah.
ये हुआ तो कैसा. अभी माइंडसेट बदल चुका है. अभी बोले ना, अभी रिस्क या स्टेबिलिटी.
Correct.
रिस्क नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, देख लेंगे.
Okay, and the final question, based on your journey, right? If your journey was a message to the world,
हाँ.
what would it be? Through an advice.
Trust the process. Trust the process. You never know. It is always man proposes and God disposes. He has some different plan for you. Trust the process. Go with the flow.
Hmm.
Very nice. Chalo. That was it from my end.
Yeah.
Thank you
Oh,
so
मेरे end
much.
से भी खत्म हो गया bro.
मेरा मन कर रहा था और पूछने
मैं स्टार्टिंग में एकदम फुल कॉन्शियस. माय हार्ट रेट वाज लाइक 140 or 150.
Yeah.
क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, क्या आंसर कहेंगे. जब वो एकदम फ्लो ज्ञान में निकला ना, तो एकदम कंफर्टेबल हो गया.
वही
अभी तो
चाहिए भाई अपने को.
ये अच्छा हुआ ब्रो सेशन. We should have more podcast sessions.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is why I keep suggesting that we have podcast sessions.
We'll call Sidling for podcast, bro. It's a crazy person for podcast.
I have barely heard him speak.
Yeah,
actually.
bro, he is next level podcast.
ऐसा क्या?
Yeah, मस्त. अगर Sidling ready आके बैठा ना, नेहा, I think ये शूट करें तो कैसा रहेगा? Yeah, bro.
Sidling ready. अरे.
I was about to say before we start कि next ना
I thought it's
Suchit Reddy.
no.
हाँ.
I thought it's
your
your partner
is
Sidling.
Sattva.
Oh, Sidling अना. Hey, they are very shy people.
That's
Yeah, Sidling अना and Anuj अना, वो podcast and all
Hey,
they won't
next time
come.
we'll actually talk to Dr. Sidling Reddy.
We'll call Sidling.
Yeah, we should.
We'll call Suchit.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Okay, we'll call Sidling, Suchit and us. वो जो हम लोग टॉपिक डिस्कस किए थे ना,
Yeah.
that single, not multi speciality model,
हाँ.
हाँ.
single model पे कैसे फोकस करेंगे,
हाँ.
we'll do on that.
Yeah, we'll do. We should do that.
We'll do that.
It will
उस
be
पे करेंगे.
crazy.
बढ़िया. चलो. Thank you
तो
so
और
much.
तुम लोगों का एस्पर मीडिया कैसे चल रहा है? How's it going? How are
Good.
things going on?
Very good.
हम लोग
Where do you guys? मैं लेता हूँ तुम लोगों का podcast.
चलो.
Where
चलो.
do you
then.
guys see yourself in next 10 years?
At least billionaire.
हाँ?
At least to be a
नहीं
billionaire.
नहीं नहीं. At least शब्द पसंद नहीं है मुझे. 100% billionaire शुरू से.
No. Minimum तो billionaire. उसके बाद
Minimum. You opt for the upper sky, not for the lower one. You say 100% billionaire.
100. That's what.
Millionaire for sure.
Billionaire for sure.
हाँ, billionaire for sure.
For
शायद
sure.
millionaire,
और
yeah.
मुझे पता है कि वहां तक मैं जाने ही वाली हूँ. I know
Yeah,
that.
100%.
I
You should be
think I know
confident.
that.
बस जाना है.
कैसे देख रहा है?
कैसे जाएंगे कैसे करेंगे
पता
पता
नहीं.
नहीं. जाना है बस.
जाना है.
बस जाना है. ब्लाइंडर्स डाल लो. आजू बाजू क्या चल रहा है क्या है पता ही नहीं. बस जाना है.
Yeah.
या तो आई हर्ड जब स्टार्टिंग में हॉस्पिटल स्टार्ट किया तो उसके बाद देन एवरीवन लाइक कि फुल कंपटीशन है, ये है वो है, बहुत चल रहा था ब्रो. तो दैट टाइम ओनली राज शमानी को वीडियो आया. ओके, तो राज शमानी एंड शाहरुख खान बोथ ऑफ देम सेड दिस, ब्लाइंडर्स.
Blinders रखते
विराट
चलो.
कोहली आल्सो टेल्स दिस,
Yeah.
जस्ट पुट ब्लाइंडर्स, डोंट लुक एट एनीथिंग, जस्ट कीप
अर्जुन
मूविंग
जैसे.
And have your pace.
या हैव अ पेस, आवर स्ट्रेटजी, जस्ट कीप मूविंग फॉरवर्ड.
Yeah.
बस चलते जाना है, रुकना नहीं है बस.
Yeah.
वन और द अदर थिंग, गो.
Correct है.
We both are actually like, you know what happens every time? Me and Jay, we decide for something that we want and it happens.
Somehow we
Yeah,
end
yeah,
up
yeah.
manifesting,
It
bro.
happens,
Yeah,
Every
manifestation.
time.
Yeah.
See, manifestation works on 4 things: words, belief, actions, and thoughts.
Yes.
Action you guys are doing.
Correct.
Okay, thoughts, obviously you have to keep on thinking about it.
Correct.
Work and belief.
Hmm.
तो belief अगर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है तो तुम लोग बैठ के पॉडकास्ट नहीं करते,
Yeah.
तो ऑब्वियसली गेट मैनिफेस्टेड,
Hmm.
हो ही जाता है।
Hmm.
पर सब लोगों का वही है, मैनिफेस्टेशन का ए वाला पार्ट छोड़ के बाकी सब करते हैं। फीलिंग, इट इज नॉट वर्ड, सॉरी, फीलिंग, बिलीफ, एक्शन एंड थॉट्स, FBTA, फीलिंग, बिलीफ, थॉट्स एंड एक्शन। फीलिंग, बिलीफ, थॉट्स सबके पास है,
Action. They just
बस
want
रात को
to.
सोचते हैं।
मुझे सुबह लॉटरी मिल जाए, लॉटरी मिल जाए, लॉटरी मिल जाए, मुझे सुबह मैं कैसे तो डिफेंडर ले लो, कहाँ से तुम्हारा परदादा का 100 एकड़ जमीन निकल जाए।
Correct.
डूड, इसको, दिस इज नॉट मैनिफेस्टेशन, वेयर इज एक्शन?
Correct.
एक्शन रहा तो ये मैनिफेस्टेशन वर्क होगा ना।
Correct.
Correct.
तो एक्शन ही नहीं करते, चुप करना है। अगर एक्शन रहा ना ब्रो,
Hmm.
मैनिफेस्टिंग थिंग्स इज वेरी इजी,
Yes.
वो अपने आप। फिर शाहरुख खान ने वो भी तो वही बोलता है ना,
Correct.
इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुझे पाने की कोशिश की है। दैट्स जस्ट अ ब्यूटीफुल सिंपल लाइन ऑफ सेइंग आई हैव मैनिफेस्टेड यू।
Yes.
वही हम लोग तो कर ही रहे। For me, initially I used to chase what I want. It didn't work for me. Then I realized that what you actually want, no? अभी like you kept saying Fortuner, तो मेरे को भी Fortuner चाहिए,
हाँ
but I won't chase it.
हाँ
I'll chase something जिसका by product
Yeah, yeah.
Fortuner है.
हाँ,
Like
दैट्स
this is also something people don't get right.
वही तो है ना। अभी फॉर्च्यूनर चाहिए, फॉर्च्यूनर चाहिए, तो फॉर्च्यूनर ब्रो तो अभी भी ले सकता है।
हाँ.
तो जाके बैंक को अप्रोच कर, 40 लाख का लोन मिल जाएगा,
आराम
Exactly.
से.
कल ही लेके आ जा फॉर्च्यूनर।
Correct.
दैट इज नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स।
Correct.
फॉर्च्यूनर शुड बी अ बाय प्रोडक्ट। तो फॉर्च्यूनर
हाँ.
चाहिए के लिए तेरे एक्शंस क्या है?
हाँ.
जाके खरीदना इज नॉट एक्शन,
Correct.
दैट इज नॉट द बिगर थिंग।
Correct.
सो कम अप विद सम
हाँ.
revenue or some business or whatever, some hard work.
हाँ.
For that, your return gift should be a Fortuner.
Correct. Exactly.
तो उस टाइप में it works, but वही थोड़े लोगों का it'll take time for them to understand. हम भी बच्चे थे एक जमाने में, हमें भी
हाँ.
पता नहीं चलता, लेना है मतलब लेना है।
हाँ.
अभी भी मेरा डैड का और मेरा बहस होता है, एकदम क्रेजी टॉपिक पे। तो कोई प्रॉपर्टीज में फाइनल करने जाता है, कुछ तो करता है, आई एम ऑलवेज अ बिट डेस्परेट, कि मुझे कैसा रहता है, मुझे वो चाहिए तो चाहिए,
हाँ.
दिख गया ना,
Don't
कुछ
waste
तो
time.
करके उसको करना है।
हाँ.
मेरा डैड का कैसा है कॉन्सेप्ट, मेरा डैड का थ्योरी, ही माइट बी राइट बिकॉज ही इज मोर एक्सपीरियंस देन मी,
Correct.
पर मैं उन फादर सन का चलता रहता ना, हमारा उनका इज लाइक, अगर तुम्हारे नसीब में वो प्रॉपर्टी लिखा है तो आएगा ही आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं आएगा। मेरा थ्योरी उल्टा है, मैं बोलता हूँ कि मेरा नसीब मुझे खुद लिखना है, ठीक है? अगर मैं उस स्पेस पे चलूंगा तो ही भगवान देखेगा, मेरे नसीब में डाल देगा। करेक्ट। तो आई वांट टू हैव दैट हार्ड वर्क। मेरे नसीब में लिखा है बोलो मैं घर नहीं बैठ सकता हूँ। Point. मैं बोलता नहीं तो हार्ड वर्क कर,
Yeah.
पर तू डेस्परेट मत रहे।
Correct.
मैं बोलता हूँ तुम्हारे को किस चीज में डोपामिन मिलता है?
Hmm.
I asked him what dopamine you have. Like example, after getting that property registration done, you'll have the dopamine.
Ah, correct.
Okay, I have the dopamine in the process.
Yes.
जाना है, देखना है, बैठना है,
Correct.
डिस्कशन करना है, बार्गेन
हाँ.
करना है।
हाँ.
नहीं मिला तो मेरा डोपामिन कम नहीं होगा,
Correct.
मेरा डोपामिन फिर नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में रहेगा।
Ah.
I love the process.
Yeah.
So he thinks that as desperation.
हाँ.
There's not desperation.
True.
I love that process of
Yeah,
I get that the dopamine rush in that.
Enjoyment होता है.
Enjoyment मिलता है।
whatever you're doing.
Yeah,
To get
hospital
that.
में भी patient, relatives, meeting many people आके और मतलब I enjoy that process.
Yeah.
तो my dad thinks that I am desperate in the real estate business.
हाँ.
तो उनको I cannot change his mindset.
Yeah, true.
क्योंकि वो बाप ही होता है।
Correct है.
बच्चों
And
तो
at
समझ
some
नहीं आता तेरे को,
point-
चुप बैठ। ऐसे करके तो ये कर देगा, वो कर देगा, तेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आता, ये वो बोल के।
Correct.
मैं बोलता हूँ डैड अभी मेरा भी बेटा है, बेटे के सामने तो गाली मत दो। बच्चे के सामने गाली खा रहा हूँ, मेरे बेटे के सामने कुछ नहीं आता तुझे। 30 साल का हो गया, मेरा खुद का हॉस्पिटल चला रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
रियल एस्टेट में अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं आता तुझे, निकल यहाँ से। मेरा बेटा मेरा पापा का मुंह देखता, फिर मेरा मुंह देखता है, इसके पास जाओ, इसके पास जाओ, वो भाग के मम्मी के पास जाता है।
Wow.
Have you ever been in like a position
Hmm.
where because this is sometime I feel and I have called her multiple times about it.
हाँ
मैं एक्चुअल में सब खत्म करके खाली बैठा रहता हूँ
हाँ
एंड मेरे को अंदर डर लगने लगता है कि मैं खाली कैसे बैठ गया.
ये ब्रो डेली लगता है ब्रो। अभी यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया ना,
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट अभी मेरे ऑलरेडी दिमाग में चल रहा है,
Hmm.
9 o'clock 8 o'clock हो रहा है ना अभी,
हाँ.
तो अभी नेक्स्ट कहाँ जाना है,
हाँ.
क्या करना है। आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू फॉर संडेज।
हाँ.
संडे आ गया ना, मुझे लगता है कि एकदम
बोर होता है, मुझे
बोर
बहुत
होता है, या
बोर
तो
होता
फिर
है।
आज का डे खाली गया, मैं खाली बैठा हूँ,
हाँ.
देन आई स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट वर्थलेस,
Yes.
हाँ.
कि
Very true.
क्या
अरे,
कर रहा है लाइफ में,
सच
Correct,
में
correct,
यार,
correct,
सच में
correct.
यार।
या
करेक्ट.
वैसे
पूरा
ही
वर्थलेस
लगता
फील
है।
होता है।
हाँ.
अगर 1 या 2 दिन, एंड आई कैन नॉट टेक वेकेशन मोर देन 3 days, 3 दिन से ऊपर अगर मैं वेकेशन गया, आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग बीटी। मैं आई हैव टू बी इन माय रूटीन। मेरा रूटीन अगर ब्रेक हुआ तो एम आई वर्थ बीइंग अ मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर आई एम वर्थ रनिंग अ बिजनेस और नो? मैं ऐसा करूंगा पूरा लॉस में जाऊंगा, मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा.
अरे बाप रे, या
हाँ,
या
मेरे को
बाप रे.
people will
It
stop
feels like
respecting me.
I'm
Yeah, I feel
listening to my
start.
thoughts.
with my story
Yeah.
from your side.
I feel very worthless.
हमारा
मुझे
तो
भी
हमने
लगता है.
कभी अभी चालू किए, ठप ना हो जाए.
yeah.
Are
हुआ
we
तो
missing out on something? कुछ तो भूल रहे हैं क्या हम लोग? Like it's constantly running.
You
in your
imagine-
head.
You keep your door slightly open. There are 10 of them to enter
हाँ,
Yeah, very
that
true.
space.
correct.
10 लोग बैठे. That is why I told consistency. जो consistency के पीछे भागते हैं उनके लिए वैकेशन लेना बहुत टफ है.
हाँ,
जैसे हम लोगों को थोड़ा दिन थोड़ा ऑफ बीट गया ना स्टार्ट, फिर वापस आके अडेप्ट होने में 2 दिन लगता है.
correct.
नहीं.
वापस आके वर्क में
हाँ.
अडेप्ट होने के लिए तो पहले दिन तो एकदम ही फुल.
अरे
You're in
हमारे
that
तो
zone,
vacation
yeah.
में भी काम चलते रहता है.
हाँ तुम लोग का अलग है. तुम लोग का इट्स लाइक
Vacation
I was
में
about
भी-
to say, I was like, इस फील्ड में आ जाओ हमारे साथ. संडे भी तुम लोग को खाली नहीं मिलेगा करके.
मेरा फील भी वैसा ही चल रहा ब्रो. बट हम दोनों एस्पर मीडिया एंड इन्फिनिटी एंड सत्वा वी आर रनिंग इन अ सेम पेज.
Same
Yes,
direction.
yes, yes,
यस
yes.
एक दिन
Same.
डेफिनेटली कुछ रास्ता लिख
Let's-
देगा, कुछ मैं लिख
Let's have
दूंगा.
this conversation again in another 5 years.
या
Instead
100%.
of having
See,
it here on a
Yeah.
yacht, we'll shoot another podcast.
yeah, that is how we have to manifest.
Yeah.
Let's
So
do that.
I have a good शायरी to end. Okay.
हाँ.
Yeah.
कुछ रास्ता लिख देगा, कुछ मैं लिख दूंगा.
हाँ.
कुछ रास्ता लिख देगा, कुछ मैं लिख दूंगा. चाहे अल्लाह लिख दे मुश्किल में मंजिल लिख दूंगा.
हाय हाय.
ಏ ಬ್ರೋ ನೀ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ನಾ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ನಾ ಶಾಯರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. दिमाग खराब हो गया है. 8-9 बज रहे, घर जाना है, नींद आ रहा है. इनका रास्ता
अरे
लिख देगा,
नहीं भाई.
इनका मंजिल लिख देगा.
उसकी फटी पड़ी है इसलिए कैमरा ना बंद हो जाए. पता है भाई. नाइस नाइस. चलो
यस ब्रो.
काट दे.
कट करो ब्रो.
यस यस चलो.